time to reset our coverage of the active night of storms.
And I'm Erica Sargent. We do have team coverage of the severe weather tonight, starting with meteorologist Ed Curran. Ed.
And it's been a very active night. It has lived up in part to what we expected to see tonight, with some tornadoes around the area and some heavy rainfall, some flooding conditions, and some larger hail as well. We still do have one more tornado warning that exists out here. This is in the southern part of LaSalle County and part of Livingston County. This is for a radar indicated tornado. No report of a tornado on the ground to us at this time, but do use caution if you're in these areas. Amity, Cornell, Long Point, Newton, take cover just in case. You know, these tornadoes tonight in some cases can be rain wrapped, or it's dark outside and you can't see them, so confirmation of a tornado on the ground is not always there. So that tornado warning is the only one that remains right now. We did have our share of tornadoes around the area. First, we can take a look at this tornado that was shot in Bureau County. Let me get out of the way here so you can get a better view. There you go. This is the tornado in Bureau County. Now that's out west of LaSalle County. That was earlier this evening. You can tell it's still light outside as this tornado came through. I don't have any reports right now of any damage from this twister. Fortunately, many of those areas out to the west are rural areas with limited population, and so these tornadoes can dip down and move through without causing a great degree of a disaster out there. And this is Lamoille, Illinois. This is Lamoille, Illinois you're looking at right now, and that twister dipped down there. This is one of the ones we had tonight as twisters moved out of Lee County and into the area of LaSalle County, northern LaSalle County, and also affected was southern DeKalb County. So this was a tornado that we saw earlier during the night, and this in Lamoille, Illinois. So those are two of the storms that we saw tonight, together with a lot of lightning and thunder and flooding rains and hail. And with more on that whole story, Mary Kay Kleist is here.
Yes, impressive hail amounts, Ed, just because of all of the instability and the moisture content that was available with these storms. The gray areas and the blue returns indicate where we have had hail around Kankakee and Bourbonnais, around Orland Park, heading into northwest Indiana, into Lake County, and then a swath of it here south of Ottawa for the tail southern end of LaSalle County. So taking a current look at radar, see how things are lightening up now over the city of Chicago. Thank goodness for that. But the hefty shower and thunderstorm activity has pushed into Valparaiso. Then Kankakee County really getting soaked with those ponding thunderstorms that are rotating in the same position. It's one after the other, and that has been the case all along I-80 as we head through the evening. Lightning detection network all lit up as well because we have a lot of lightning out there, especially around Kankakee County and heading into the border between Indiana and Michigan. So as we move through the night, we're going to see these storms over Kankakee County start to slide further and further to the south and east, taking all the hefty weather with. But when we look at storm reports for the last 24 hours, this is really just from the last couple of hours this evening, we've had multiple reports of funnel clouds. Then a little closer to the city, we had a report of a funnel cloud at Harvey, right near 147th and I-57. And then lightning struck a store and started a fire at Griffith at 9:15. I do want to mention now, too, we have a new tornado warning, and this is for central Livingston County, and that is until 10:45. Just came across now. This is moving faster than the other ones. The other ones had a forward speed of 20 miles per hour. This one is moving to the southeast at 45 miles per hour. National Weather Service noticed the rotation on radar. So now it looks like south of I-80 is going to be the focus for the strongest thunderstorms now as we move through the night. Notice the tornado watch has been dropped for Cook, dropped for DuPage and Kane and places along the Wisconsin border, but has been expanded to northern Indiana, in fact, until 4 in the morning now for LaPorte County. We still have a flash flood watch as well, but notice as well, this has been cut off now from Aurora northward and really focusing on those southern communities. So it looks like all the heavy weather is going to be pushing further and further to our south. When we look at the rainfall estimates, it looks like heavy activity is still expected from Ottawa to Kankakee. And that is where we could see in this area of red a 5 to 7 inch rainfall estimate as far as rain totals go. That's why driving tonight is just a very bad idea, because anytime you drive over 6 inches or more, you can lose control of your car very easily. And if there's any ditch or a little divot or some construction or a drain that's blocked, it looks like the whole street can just be covered with water, so it can be very dangerous. Now, earlier in our newscast, we saw thunderstorms over eastern Iowa. Well, now the warm front has lifted into our southern suburbs, and those thunderstorms just rode along that front. Their forward speed was almost more to the south and east. So now the focus is going to be well south of I-80 into Kankakee County and into northwest Indiana as well. So it looks like the city has had the worst of the weather, and that's moving out. But our southern friends and into northwest Indiana, that's where we're going to have some problems. Look at this temperature right now. It's 90 in St. Louis, 68 here in Chicago. So you can see that dividing line of that frontal boundary. But as far as the heavy weather goes, if you live along the Wisconsin border, you're going to be okay the rest of the night, but further south, that's where we have problems. So this latest tornado warning is south in northern parts of Livingston County until 10:45, but it is moving to the southeast and has picked up forward speed, now moving at 45 miles per hour. So even though it's heavy in the far southern suburbs in northwest Indiana, it is on the way out, Rob and Erica.
Okay. Great job there, Mary Kay and Ed, tonight as we continue our coverage here. A bit of